Silence doesn't talk back and cannot be misquoted. Chapter 14. Quiet Time, Quiet World. I lived in solitude in the country and noticed how the monotony of a quiet life stimulates the creative mind. Albert Einstein. While you thrust towards your new story, creative ideas, strategic planning, and the opportunity to simply dream are essential. I am among those rare women who do not relish the idea of having regular massages. I cannot seem to factor in the time or usefulness of a manicure, and I find myself wondering how long it will take the technician to complete this relaxing experience. Long before I had children, my husband would give me certificates for a day at the spa for Valentine's Day. One year, I donated nearly $800 in gift certificates to my daughter's school for various fundraisers. It simply is not my thing, I thought. Following an emotionally difficult experience in my marriage, I visited my Uncle Norman in Minnesota. I had never been to Minnesota and was taken aback by its quiet beauty in the spring. I hadn't been on an airplane ride alone for quite some time, and with notebook in hand, I began writing ferociously with great ease. My writing continued to flow as I lay in my bed on the second floor of my uncle's home in complete silence as he and his wife worked. I slept lazily at times, dozing off between pages. As a woman who is quite critical of her own work, once I arrived home, I was surprised at how compelling my writing was. It was fluid, riveting, and heartfelt. If I had tried with everything within me, I would not have been able to produce that quality of writing at home, in my space, amidst my family and my crisis. As smart as I believed I was, I never understood the power of solitude. I confused relaxing activities with active relaxing in a quiet environment. Knowing this now, I understand the value of breaking away, even for a day, to nurture creativity and productivity. You may not have the means to take a trip, but your local park can provide the quiet nature you need to facilitate your progress. Look around your world and examine what is available to you. Be willing to try numerous geographical locations. Like me, you may be surprised at what stirs your imagination. Finally, don't sabotage your potential by riddling yourself with guilt at your desire, your need to break away. I should be with my kids. I should be cleaning the house. I should be. You will be a better mom, homemaker, employee, wife, and friend if you allow your creativity to have an outlet and your talents to have a landing strip with opportunities to flourish.